Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to go over how to make a TikTok video. I know some of you have been requesting this and I've been experimenting with TikTok for a couple of weeks now, but we're going to go over how to create a TikTok inside the shot. Some Jack Daniels. If that was in the shot, I'm going to have to redo that. Oh, sorry, everyone. Anyway, we're going to go over how to make a TikTok video in Adobe Premiere Pro, because you want to be different, don't you? You don't want to be one of these cringy kids out here doing a bit of the whoa and the dancing. No, you want to create quality content that you can use on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube Reels, because that's where it's at. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name's Jack.F. I'm a freelance videographer, photographer, video editor, helping you take your video editing and your videography to the next level. If you want to donate and help the creation of future content, go buy me a coffee, link in the description. The amount you donate is up to you. So, jumping straight into this, how do we create one of those vertical TikTok videos inside Adobe Premiere Pro? Let's go. So the first thing that you want to do is come over to your project panel, and what you want to click is this new item. What you're going to do, you're going to click a black video. What this is going to do, it's going to open this little window here. So the normal aspect ratio HD resolution is normally 1920 by 1080. It's basically this way, like your phone this way, yeah? This way. So what we're going to do, we're going to literally flip it like that and go like that. So you're going to enter those two values but differently, like swap them around. So what we're going to do, we're going to put 1080 in where the 1920 was, and where the 1080 was, you're going to put 1920, and that's literally going to flip it around. For me, it's out 50 frames per second. Hit OK, and that's going to create your little black video down in the bottom left. So drag that over to your where it says drop media here to create sequence. You're going to drop it there, and boom, as you can see in the projects panel, it is a vertical video like the ones you see on TikTok. Let me get TikTok up, and you can make whatever you want. So here you got TikTok, and it's vertical, and you can see that right there because it's vertical. So guys, that's just a quick little video on how to make a TikTok video. Obviously you can do your edits now, and you can do whatever you want. Actually, no, that's not the end. One thing that you do need to do is get your YouTube intro, as you see here. As you see here, Jack, I dragged it to my timeline, but it's looking a little bit weird. It's not sorted. And the reason that is because it's not the same aspect ratio. So what you need to do, click your video, come up to where it says effect controls. And what we're going to do is mess around where it says scale here. And we're going to drag it. It's not the best of examples because it's black on black. But as you can see a little bit, if we open this up here, it's a little bit not here. So what we're going to do, we're going to hit Control Z. And there you go. You've got your landscape video in portrait, simple as, and then it just disappears. And if you want to center it up, you can move it like this, left or right with the position. Jack Fernley, that's me. And then as you see guys, you can just rearrange it. Or if you don't want it like that, but you still want the vertical and you want to put like maybe a progress bar on the bottom, right click, and then come down to where it said scale to frame size, and that's literally going to scale your video. If you have it correct, there you go. If you need to reset, just hit these little reset parameters, and it's going to put your little boxy video perfectly slap dab in the middle, so it doesn't have any overlapping layers or anything. So that's how you quickly create a TikTok video in Adobe Premiere Pro, guys. Obviously you're going to do your edits, and then you're going to export it, and you can put it on TikTok. So if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel and check out some other videos. And if you want to donate to the channel and help the creation of future content, go buy me a coffee, link in the description. The amount you donate is up to you. So guys, I'll see you on the next video.